Hello friends, welcome back to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. So before I start sharing with you how you can improve English language, let me explain something. Situational English. You know, before I came here, I saw that side still there is a smoke which is going up in the sky. I saw some children, they had set the fire and that is why fire was blazing. Okay, so when I came here, then I saw if I had come before they set the fire, I may have told them not to do this because it's not good for our environment. They are not doing it because they are feeling cold. They are doing it because they are mischievous. That's why they are doing it. It's not necessary because today weather is also little good. It's not that cold, but yeah, they are doing. So I think you may have learned something, right? What was that? Fire is blazing. It means we say in Hindi, आग का धधकना और भयंकर रूप लेना. So if you see somewhere fire is blazing or आग धधक रही है, like that, so you can say fire is blazing. We can learn situational English, okay? And why I shared with you people or why I told you people, because it's a situational English. As you can see, still smoke is going up in the sky, that place. Okay, so yeah, this is how you can learn English language fast way. When you start explaining whatever is happening around you or whatever you are doing, then the chances are you will learn a lot. Because if you try to explain something, you need vocabulary, you need grammar also. So I'm asking to you, have you already learned grammar? Not a lot. At least basic grammar. If it's not clear, my friend, go and learn it because it's important. If you don't learn grammar, you won't be able to make the sentences properly. If you are trying to learn English language without learning grammar, it will take a lot of time. Believe me. I have seen many people, they were struggling to learn English language for a long time. And I have seen another kind of people, they just started learning grammar and step by step they started learning English language and now they speak English language fluently. So I don't want you to struggle with this language. I want you to speak this language fluently. And how you can do it? If you learn grammar little bit, not a lot, just learn basic grammar. And it won't take much time. It will take maybe 1 week to learn everything, but it will take maybe 1 month or 2 months, 3 months. It depends on your practice to bring those grammar into practice. Because unless you know how to use them, there is no use of learning a lot of grammar, okay? So learn basic grammar, it will take 1 week, and then start making sentences. Start speaking whatever is happening around you. I mean situational English, okay? And then you will feel that you need a lot of vocabulary. The way I used, right? I said that fire is blazing. I even said that there is nothing but greenery. It means यहाँ हरियाली ही हरियाली है, like that. I think I have shared this vocabulary many times. So yeah. So if you want to explain something, you need vocabulary. How you can learn? First of all, you should feel the need. Then you will learn fast way. If you don't feel need, if you learn, even you will forget. So you have to bring the need. And how can you bring it? If you speak or if you start speaking situational English. Let's suppose you are somewhere in the market, start explaining. If you are unable to speak it out in front of someone, do it in your mind. Start explaining that how to say this thing and how I can explain whatever I'm doing. If you are buying something, if you are selling something, if you are just roaming, okay, do it. It will help you to improve your English. Just bring the need. Then you will be able to speak this language, or you will be curious to learn more vocabulary. Otherwise, my friend, You will keep learning vocabulary and you will keep forgetting also. This will happen. It happens with me also. If I don't use those vocabulary, then I forget. So we should not waste our energy or time or our effort. If you only learn and don't use, it means that you are wasting your effort, your hard work, right? So just bring the need. And how can you bring? I told you that start speaking situational English. Wherever you are, whatever you are doing, this is the best way to speak this language or to improve this language. Because unless you have the need, you are not going to search vocabulary. I mean, you may learn different kind of vocabulary, the vocabulary which is not important for you. I mean, every kind of vocabulary is important for us, but as a learner, as a beginner, you should at least know whatever is happening around you or what you are doing. That's very important for you. That's essential for you as a beginner, okay? You don't need to know each and every thing initially. You should at least know that how to explain what you are doing. Let's suppose I'm standing in my field. So if I say to you, explain it. If you are a beginner, then you may struggle to explain things easily, but don't worry, you can do it. How? By learning grammar and by explaining things. Maybe first time you will fail, but if you keep doing, you won't fail. You will learn by failing or by practicing again and again, right? So in my case also, I explain situational English. Sometime I explain if I see something, and nowadays I don't do that much, but earlier as a beginner I used to do it wherever I used to go, in market or at my home, in my field. I used to think how I can explain this thing. And when I used to feel need, then I used to learn a lot of vocabulary also. In your case also, you should bring the need, then you can learn vocabulary, you can use them, and you can improve your English language. Or else, if you are only learning vocabulary separately, my friend, you will forget, because it happens, okay? So don't waste your effort, don't waste your hard work. Whatever you are learning, try to bring those things into practice. Then you will not forget them for a long period of time. And it will help you to improve this language and to get fluency. So do this thing, it will help you to improve your English. I hope my video is little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.